Hello everyone, welcome to Robbie's Eats, and today we're making a very simple chimichurri sauce based on Argentinian tradition, and it's a very versatile sauce that you can put on a lot of things like steak, chicken, even seafood like whitefish. So we're gonna zoom in here now and we're gonna take a look at all of our ingredients. We've got some really fresh parsley, about a cup, and we also got a mixture of spices that you'll see on the screen as well, and we'll put them all into this food processor here and kind of get the process going. So first thing, just add your lightly chopped parsley into the food processor. Make sure we get it all, and while I get it all on the counter, I'm gonna pick some up and put them back in. All right, then we're gonna get our spice mixture and just add that all around the processor. It's all gonna be blended together, so don't be too precise. We got 4 cloves of garlic here. I love garlic. You can back off a little bit on it, but do not be afraid to put your garlic in this recipe. All right, and then we also got a 1/4 cup here of red wine vinegar. I'm just gonna pour it straight in. The extra virgin olive oil is very high quality. For this recipe, we're not gonna emulsify it. We're gonna pour it in after we've mixed these ingredients together. So I'm just going to put my cap on, have it on the puree setting, and we're gonna get it to a nice smooth consistency. I'm gonna open it up. And I want it to get a little bit finer, so I'm gonna just scoop down the bits all around the blades again. Make sure that all the bits that got stuck on top go back down. And we're gonna start again. All right, that's looking good to me. See, it's nice and finely chopped. Everything's finely chopped in there. What we're gonna do is gonna take out our blade, be very careful with that. And then we're gonna lift this out and put it on the bottom of a little mixing bowl. And we're gonna just put all this juice and everything out, just put it all there. It's like a little paste almost. Unlike other kind of dressings I typically make where I, again, mix the olive oil in to kind of emulsify it, I want the separation here between the olive oil and this mixture. So now we're just gonna pour the olive oil, the extra virgin olive oil, over the mixture. And we're just gonna give it a nice mix. Get it all mixed together really nicely. And we're gonna let this sit now in the fridge for at least a half an hour before usage. And again, you can use this on so many things: skirt steak, New York strip steak. You can use it on codfish, anything you want. It's gonna be delicious. So half hour in the fridge, take it out whenever we need it. Even with your scrambled eggs in the morning, it's great. So we'll see you next time.